Here's how we help businesses 10x their leads on autopilot. First, we build an SEO-optimized smart website that ranks on Google. Then, we add AI chatbots that engage visitors and capture contact info instantly. Next, we automate email and SMS follow-ups, so no lead goes cold. Finally, you track everything on your mobile app: leads, analytics, conversions, all in real time. The result? Leads flow in while you focus on closing deals instead of chasing them. That's the virtual engine difference. Ready to scale? Visit our website, virtualengine.ai, to book an appointment for a free business review and experience the 10x for your business.